Hey guys, Jeremiah Stewart here, kinesiologist, and all that really means is that I use the sciences to maximize your fitness results. Today, I want to show you how I take a superfood and turn that into super juices that you can drink as is or add it into your homebrewed kombucha. Let me show you how my family and I enjoy making Green Machine. Alright guys, so right off the bat you see we have tons of greens here. That's what we like, that's what we want to see. We also have a lot of fruit. The fruit is actually just to soften up the flavor, just to make the juice more palatable. We have kiwi right here. So great thing about kiwi, it actually has more vitamin C than oranges. It also helps with your respiratory health, has a ton of antioxidants, counters aging, and helps improve skin health. So we have that in there. Right here we have, I'll slip in my mind, kale. So we have some kale. Kale helps with heart support. It helps with cancer prevention, anti-inflammatory. It's an antioxidant. It helps detoxify your body, so it helps remove all those toxins out of your body. Helps with vision, all that good stuff. So we actually have some of that in here. Over here, to the top left, we have ginger. So ginger is amazing. You probably know it helps with inflammation, decreases inflammation, but also the reason why that's so important is because inflammation is usually the root of most diseases. So that is good. So we want to have that. It also increases digestive function. So we have that. What do we? Oh, broccoli. We have broccoli right here. Helps battle cancer, osteoporosis, and also helps with weight gain. Prevent weight gain. These guys right here, these guys are a little sneaky. So my mother catered, and what's so funny about that is she used this as garnish, but what's so amazing, we actually have two different kinds here. So this is parsley. So we have Italian parsley and we have curly parsley. So what's so amazing about parsley is that it's packed with essential oils. It has tons of antioxidants. It's forever been used for a detox remedy. It's a diuretic, they use it for treatment for GI disorders, so your gastrointestinal disorders. It helps with hypertension, cardiac disease, urinary disease, diabetes. It helps fight inflammation, bladder infection. What's I gotta say about this? Helps with digestive problems, including irritable bowel syndromes or IBS. Helps with kidney stones. I've never had that, but if you drink a lot of soda, or if you're not, on that kind of proper plan, drinking a lot of water, this actually helps with kidney stones. Acid reflux, constipation, skin problems. It also goes after free radicals, so that's good. So we have a ton of that. What do I want to talk about? Let's go to the Swiss chard. We'll do spinach last. Okay, so Swiss chard. So this is actually amazing. So Swiss chard is one of the most impressive vegetables out there. They're extremely high in nutrient density due to like these heavy dark green leaves. They come in a variety of colors: red, purples, yellows. These right here. So what's the word I'm looking for? These stalks, they come in like different colors as well. The veins, we have the red ones. And what's so great about these antioxidants that are found in these leaves, they help fight free radicals, help fix free radical damage, inflammation, disease development. It fights disease development, anti-cancer, has anti-cancer properties, has a special properties that actually prevent and treat diabetes. It's high in potassium, magnesium, calcium, copper, more vitamins and minerals than I can't even name off the top. Vitamin K, A, C. There's nothing that this can't help you with. So we have that right there. And the last thing we have is this pillow of spinach that I got for $4. So if you're in the SoCal area, Irvine, $4, super Irvine, Mediterranean market right there in Irvine, on Culver and the 5. It's amazing. So what's great about spinach, if you don't already know, it's considered one of the healthiest foods on earth. It has more than a dozen antioxidants, easily the most nutrient-dense food in existence. So we're gonna actually have some of this. We're gonna toss that in there, and we're gonna fire it up. So that's what we have. That's what we're gonna go with today, and we'll see how it turns out. We are going to do the parsley first, followed by the greens, and then the fruit. So the fruit's gonna push through the rest of the greens, so we don't waste any of that. We're using our Champion blender from the 1950s right here, and we're gonna get right into it. Hey guys, I hope you found this video super helpful. If you haven't seen our other ones, go ahead and check those out as well. And until next time, good luck on your fitness journey. We believe in you. We love you. God bless.